what happens if the company doctor doesn't believe you're injured or isn't treating your injury properly? It's an interesting question. What you do in those circumstances depends. We've talked about this before. There is not necessarily a requirement that you treat with a company doctor. In order for you to be bound by the company doctor, the employer has to do a bunch of things right. I won't repeat all of those because I think they're already on my website somewhere. But if the employer has created a valid panel list and you are bound to treat with one of the company doctors in the first 90 days, then if you're not happy with the one you're treating with, there should be another one on the list you can pick. So that's an option. It is also advisable sometimes to go to your own doctor also. The insurance company doesn't have to pay for any visit with a non-panel provider that you make in the first 90 days, assuming everything's been done right. But that doesn't mean you can't pay out of pocket for an office visit with a doctor you trust to get an actual opinion that you believe to be true, so that you have some documentation that can conflict what the company doctors might say. So there are things we can do to be creative and help you deal with problems with the company doctor, even in the first 90 days, even if you're required to treat with them under the Workers' Compensation Act in order to have those bills paid.